Ma'am, kamusta daw ang dalaw kay PRRD?
Today was good. Today we didn't really discuss much outside of the family. It was focused on the family and who's coming next, which is my sister, the youngest one, 6 years old. I informed him na malapit na siyang punta dito. Hi, tita. And he's very excited. He is looking forward to seeing the rest of the family. It was good, and ayun, we had very touching moments between, father and daughter.
Okay. May isa pa. Meron ka bang simpleng inihandang salo-salo kasama si Ma'am Hannibal at Mira?
We haven't planned yet, but for sure we might just, eat outside or look for Filipino food because we are very fond of Filipino cuisine, as in halos yun lang talaga yung kinakain namin. So we might look for someone who cooks sinigang or something to keep us warm.
Kailan makakapasok sila Mira at saka si
With Mira, I'm sure she will be able to enter after Christmas Day. Now, I do not know what specific day because it depends on their schedule. So, for sure after December 25th.
Okay, last naman. May mensahe ba si PRRD sa Pasko para sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas?
We had, like I said, we had very touching moments today, and he didn't give a direct message, but he did include everyone in his prayers. In his prayers, he said in verbatim that, Lord, I ask for nothing this Christmas. I only ask for my family's happiness, and this part, I don't know how he said it I don't remember how he said it exactly, but the thought is, if there's anyone who is praying for something that will do them good, please give it to them. Something like that.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Thank you.